Hey everyone, my name is Carrie, and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. I'm going to walk you through a new exciting feature where your staff members will receive a lead capture email notification every time a client signs up through a lead capture widget form. So to start off, we got to go into the setup. And from the setup, we're going to go ahead and go to notification and staff notification. So this specific lead capture email notification is the one that will be sent to staff when a client or a prospect goes ahead and completes a lead capture form through the lead capture widget. So once we're on the staff notification page as we are right now, we're going to scroll down until we see lead capture on the bottom. Expand that, and we now see there is a new email template called new lead, and it's sent to a staff member informing them that a new client has entered their information into the lead capture widget. So let's go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit this template to see how it looks like. So as with any email templates that we have, we can for the most part send it as an email, an SMS, or push notification. So if you want these to be sent to your staff as an SMS or a push notification, just make sure you go into these sections to set up that verbiage as well. Coming down, we have the standard from name from email, whether we want to send this as a BCC or CC to other people. We have a subject, you have a new lead. So typically you probably want to send this to somebody that should be following up with these new prospects that are coming into your business, right? We want to try to convert them into a client. So this is a great thing because we want our staff to know it right away so they can follow up. So maybe an administrator or a front desk receptionist that can then follow up with these clients right away. That'll be a great use case for this specific email template. Coming down, we have the email variables that you can incorporate into this email for your staff to see. So as with anything, we have the description on the right-hand side so you know exactly what that variable is for. And if you want to copy it, you can simply hover over the right-hand side of the variable and copy to clipboard so we can easily paste it into the email content itself. Now, moving down, we already have an email default. So we have dear full name, a new lead has registered on widget name, lead capture widget. And then we have the lead information and we can view their profile. So we can easily access their profile in Wellness Living as a staff member and follow up with that client, right? Whether we want to maybe give them a quick call, be like, hey, thanks for signing up, right? As a prospect, we'd love to maybe offer you some great deals or some promo offers as a first-time introductory offer. You can go ahead and now follow up right away and really try to capture those prospects and convert them into a paying client. So that's what this email is all about. And you can go ahead and change it as you wish, save it, and then that's going to automatically be sent to your staff every time a prospect fills up the lead capture widget.